Hi besties, how are you doing? Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I want to share with you guys how much I've been able to make from this video. I want to share with you guys how much this video made for me, even being something that I posted it before I was fully monetized on YouTube. So I want to share with you guys how much I've been able to make from this particular video. So guys, I posted this video before I was fully monetized on YouTube. This video has been able to get me 10,000 views, 10,000 plus views, though I posted it before I was fully monetized. Okay, it has thousands views before I was fully monetized. So I want to share with you guys how much I've been able to make from this particular video. Okay, so guys, that's why it is very good for you to keep posting even when you are not monetized yet, because your old videos can still be generating money for you. You can still be making money from your old videos. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how much I've been able to make from this particular video. And if you haven't seen that video, please check that video out. That video is very good. It will help you to get 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. Let me show you. Okay guys, so this is the video. The title of the video says small channels use silent live stream with rich stream to get 4K watch hours. Guys, this actually works. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is the performance. Okay, so this video is ranking right now, like currently 2 of 10, like 2 out of 10 is ranking by views, 2 of 10. So it's doing so well. This video has gotten 10,900 and something views. So it is doing so well. Like it did well and it is still doing well. So this video, a lot of people also click on this video. It has 6.1% impression click-through rate. So a lot of people click on this video to watch. Okay, so the average view duration is also high. People watch this video more than 3 minutes. So the video is doing so, like it did well and it's still doing well. So it has a lot of comments with over 400 likes. Okay, so let me open it. So it says here, this video has gotten 10,989 views since it was published. Okay, and it says here that this video did 10.6K more than usual. So it did so well. Okay, it did so well. So here, this intro says that people watched very well, like they stayed for long during the beginning. That's the 100%. So people watched it, and it says here that 52% of viewers are still watching at around the 0.30 marks, which is typical, blah blah blah. So it's doing so well. As the last 48 hours, about 44 persons watched this video. Okay, so yeah, let's check the reach. Okay, let's check the watch hour. This video has gotten me 633 watch hours. 633 watch hours. So it got a lot of watch hour. It means that a lot of people watch this video. I am very grateful for that. So this video also got me 304 subscribers. Like, are you kidding me? I'm so happy, guys. It got me 304 subscribers. Like, it did so well. Okay, so let's check the reach. Okay, let's check the reach. Oh, okay, so impressions. This means people that clicked on this video. So it got 135.5K impression click-through rate. So that's very high. That's very high. This is how viewers found this video. But yeah, it says how viewers find this video. So the viewers were able to see this video through browse features, suggested video. You know, some videos were suggesting this particular video. So YouTube search, when people search, this video were among the videos that pop up, you know, and they click on it and watch, and other YouTube features. So here, people were also watching from WhatsApp, Gmail, and so many other places. So okay, says this is the keyword that people typing, and this video is among the videos that are shown to them. That's why, guys, it is very good for you to always include keyword in your title, in your thumbnail, in your description box. So here it says restream tutorial, how to restream a live stream on YouTube. You see, so that's it. So these are some of the channels that suggest the video, like content suggesting this video. So yeah, why this is the playlist featuring this video. Okay, so guys, let's check the impression click-through rate. That's 6.1%, is high. Okay, this is the view. So this video has been long, that's unique viewers. I'm not able to see that again. So let's check the engagement. We've talked about the watch hour, which is 633. That's very big. This is 613, more than usual. So that's very, very big. Okay, so a lot of people liked this video. Yeah, a lot of people liked it. Okay, so let's check here. It says average video duration. That's very high, 3.27%. That's very high. This is 0.29 more than usual. So that's very, very high. So let's check audience. So it says returning viewers 0, because this video has been long. It has been months since I posted this video. So age of people that watch this video, from 18 to 44 people watch this video. Male watch this video, female watch this video, but female watch more. We have male 31.2%, we have female 38.8%. People from Nigeria, United States, Kenya, and some other countries watch this video. So that's it. That's it. And people that are not my subscribers, like people that people that didn't subscribe to my channel, watch this video more than people that subscribed. That's it for you. Most times, people that are not your subscribers will watch your video more than your subscribers. Okay, so guys, let's now talk about I've told you I got 304 subscribers from this video. So let's now talk about the revenue, how much this video has generated for me, being something I posted before I was fully monetized on YouTube. And this video already has thousands of views before I was fully monetized on YouTube. So let's check how much this video was able to make for me. Oh my god, like seriously. So this video has been able to make $23.74 for me. Like in my country, this is 38,000 and something. This is 38,000 and something. So this is how much this particular video that I posted before I was fully monetized got from me. Imagine I posted this video after I was fully monetized, how much this video would have generated for me. Like, are you kidding me? Get your ass on YouTube if you haven't. Okay, so I was able to make $23.74 from this particular video I posted before I was fully monetized. Like, this is 38,000 something in my country. Okay, and guys, let me show you guys how much. So this says here revenue for every 1K views. Like this particular video, YouTube paid $2.16 for every 1K views. Okay, every 1,000 views from this particular video, YouTube pay 2.16K. Guys, another thing I also notice is, you see this revenue for every 1K views, it changes. It is not permanent. Like, it depends on the performance of that video. Okay, so this is how much I was able to make from my ads, like the ads that are shown on my video. This is how much I was able to make from it. Okay, from them. She many ads. Okay, so every 1K view, I was able to make 7.37 from the others. Okay, this is what they paid for every 1k views. So I made more from skippable videos. You know, these are days that you can skip the addy. If you don't want to watch the addy to the end, you can skip it. So that's where I made my money from. So guys, I am very grateful. If you haven't started doing your YouTube, please, what are you waiting for? Okay, watch page others. This is where I made a lot of money. So please, if you haven't started YouTube, start. And if you're thinking of giving up, do not give up. Okay, you can still make money from your old videos after you are fully monetized. The videos that you've posted before will still be generating money for you as long as people are watching. Okay, so I encourage you not to give up. Imagine me making in my country that's 8,000 something from a video I posted before I was fully monetized on YouTube. YouTube is paying, and I encourage you not to give up. Okay, so guys, please make sure you like this video if you haven't, and also subscribe, join the family if you haven't. Okay, feel free to ask your questions. If there's anything you want to know regards to growing on YouTube, feel free to ask. Okay, if you haven't seen my other videos, please check them out. And this particular video, if you haven't seen how to use Restream to get 4,000 and 1,000 subscribers, go and check it out. Guys, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.